How to create a custom column in Power BI. For example, we have this unit price, and for some reason we want to rest to this number. We want to rest 5. We go to transform data. Then we select the column that we want. Go to add column. You can select the option here, add column from examples, or here. Now, you can select and unselect the column that you want or don't want. Then you search for this number, for example. You can see that this number corresponds to the unit price column. Then we rest 5. And Power Query understand that we want to do the same to every row. You can change the name. And then OK. Thank you for watching.